In this short tutorial, I will show you how to put app icons anywhere on the home screen of your iPhone running iOS 18. This new feature allows you to customize your home screen layout and organize your apps in a way that works best for you. To get started, long press an empty space on your home screen until the app icons start to jiggle. Then simply drag and drop the app icons anywhere you want. Once you've rearranged the app icons to your liking, tap Done at the top right corner to save changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.